order up 4 pepperonis, 2 mushrooms, and 4 pineapples. Let's add them to our pizza. 4 plus 2 equals 6 plus 4 more equals. That's right, it's 10. Nice job. 5 pineapples, 3 slices of ham, and 2 mushrooms. Let's add up all our toppings. 5 plus 3 equals plus 2 more. That's right, it's 10 altogether. 2 slices of ham, 6 pepperonis, and 1 mushroom. 2 plus 6 more equals 8 plus 1 more equals 9. Great job. 4 slices of bacon, 2 pineapples, and 1 slice of ham. Let's add it to our pizza and add it all together. 4 plus 2 more equals plus 1 more equals 7. Nice job. 4 pepperonis, 2 mushrooms, and 4 pineapples. Let's add it to our pizza. We have 4 plus 2 plus 4 more equals. That's right, it's 10. Nice work today.